Oh look, another red anodized aluminum product. Even has the same similar font as you know who. Overall, pretty decent. Got um, double thumb screws to make that ultra secure. It's, just a good basic triple ruler kit for the price that you wouldn't even get one from from the brand everybody's trying to emulate. So yeah, I mean, they're all exactly the same, just different lengths, metric and standard on each ruler. Pretty decent finish, not the greatest, but at this price. And they're not too thick, so you're not going to have terrible parallax in marking stuff off. But overall, a pretty decent set of rulers.